Hello, dear hungry ones. The Big Kahuna Burger, probably better known as the Pulp Fiction Burger or cheeseburger, of course originates from Quentin Tarantino's cult movie. It tastes amazing and well, it's definitely big. For this recipe, we will need ground beef and pineapple slices, either fresh or from a can if you prefer. Lettuce leaves, I use iceberg, but you can choose any type you like. Add cheese like Gouda with ketchup, mustard, a dash of pepper, salt, fresh tomato, and slices of onion. Brown sugar, teriyaki sauce which you can easily make yourself. I'll add the recipe for that in the info box. And of course, burger buns, preferably the larger ones. With wet hands, first mix the ground beef a little. First halve it, then shape the first half into a nice ball. Flatten the ball to make a patty. That's the technical term. Alternatively, you could use a hamburger press, a patty former, or even the lid of a jar. I prefer to do it by hand. Make sure the patty is at least as big as the bun. To prevent it from puffing up while frying, simply use a tablespoon to make an indentation. Pour a generous amount of teriyaki sauce on top and gently rub it in. Carefully flip the patty over and repeat the same process on the other side. To keep the patty from shrinking while frying, add a few drops of oil to a plate and rub it in. Place the patty on the plate and freeze it for about 10 minutes. In a large pot, combine ketchup, brown sugar, and mustard. Heat the mixture while stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. After you finish cooking, carefully remove the pot from the stove. Oil a regular or grill pan. If you have a non-stick pan, you can skip this step. Carefully place the delicious patties in the hot frying pan and fry them over medium to high heat. Make sure to flip them at least once. Meanwhile, slice the onion into rings and cut the tomato into slices, since we need onion rings and tomato slices for the burger. Now, generously season the patties well with salt and pepper. Flip them and season the other side the same way. Then we add the onion rings and sauté them over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Afterwards, we take them back out. Spread the ketchup sauce over the cooked patties and let them simmer on low heat, covered for a few minutes. If you have a suitable lid, use it. A wooden board works too. And with that, they're done, and we take them out of the pan. Now take the time to slice the burger buns and then briefly toast the cut sides face down in the pan. Or of course, you could use a toaster for this. And now the assembly begins. Start with lettuce on the bottom bun, then the patty. Spread it generously with ketchup sauce again. Add the sautéed onion rings, followed by the pineapple. Top it with a slice of cheese and crown it all with tomato slices. Now, let's finish it off by placing the top bun on. And there you have it, the Kahuna Burger is ready. Quick note, if there's any sauce left over, it keeps in the fridge for a few weeks and is great for grilling. I can only confirm the scene from the movie, and by that I mean, the burger tastes amazing, and as you can see, it's pretty filling too. I truly hope you have fun preparing this dish, and bon appetit!